What if you could attend the best business event of the year with full dinner and dessert buffet, top shelf open bar, and the opportunity to meet hundreds of local business people? Imagine. It hasn't taken place yet, but come with me. Imagine what it would be like. You pull up and the valet parks your car. You enter one of the most beautiful halls in the whole East Coast. You register right in front of a sweeping staircase that circles the flowing fountain. You're ushered into the beautiful Palace Ballroom, filled with sponsor exhibitions and more food than you can imagine. It's a warm spring day where the patio invites you to get to know someone new. Then you pick up a drink and head down the marble hallway where cars you've never seen are on display. Perhaps a Tesla or other modern-day works of art and engineering. You enter the main Palazzo Ballroom. You learn about beatcancer.org, where education and good eating are paramount. You get to know others in attendance through the interactive and often hilarious text breakers. Are you ready to meet new people and win prizes? And maybe you participate in one or both of the special seminars. Using the Root system to become a better networker by Money Tree business strategist creator Paul Conti. Or how to use LinkedIn as a tool to sustain valuable professional relationships by business broker Orlando Rivera. And just when you think the evening is over, what if you could join your new friends and business prospects at our exclusive after party at Speed Raceway? Seriously, who creates so much fun and excitement, has so much food and drink available, introduces you to new people through the inventive and energizing text breakers, provides 2 business building seminars, and then tops it all off with the roar and competition of electric go-kart racing? And imagine, if you met that one person who opens doors for you, paves the way for new business opportunities, and you do this in an atmosphere you will remember forever. Join us now. Sign up right away to become a VIP attendee and get all of this provided to you. At the Marion in Cinnaminson, New Jersey. It's on Route 130, close to both the Tacony Palmyra and Betsy Ross bridges. And then the after party at Speed Raceway, which is practically next door. Don't be closed out. Space is limited, and the first 200 who sign up online become VIP attendees and are eligible for everything. Review all the information on the networknoble.com website and click the RSVP Now button. You don't want to miss this. And tell your friends. Click the RSVP Now button and join us. Imagine.